Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share a screen during video calls or WhatsApp. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if my WhatsApp needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check right here if my WhatsApp needs to be updated. And as you can see, there isn't. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to share a screen on video call or during a video call, on WhatsApp, tap the screen sharing icon at the bottom of the display. On Android, the icon looks like a phone with an arrow on it, while on iOS, this icon looks like a screen with a figure in front of it. Your screen will now be visible to other people in the video call. Alright, you're gonna see something like that. Just go ahead and click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to share a screen. Let's find on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.